Okay, so this little thing I got in the mail, they call it a combination box. I call it a scam. I am going to do some surgery on it and find out what we can save out of it. I know I'll get at least a battery and an LED. I'm kind of hoping maybe there's a piece of like polarized film in there or something. I'd kind of like to make some kind of little sign of some kind. Let's see what we can do. Get some side cutters. I get better side cutters. Those things are kind of crappy. Let's see. Hobby knife. That should do it. Alright, just in case. Get a... Let's see. Thought I had a box knife around here somewhere. Definitely could use a screwdriver. Thought I had a screwdriver here. Alright, well, we'll make do with what we've got. Alright, so let's see. Looking inside, I can see that this is not... Oh, look, that was easy. On the back, you'll see... I don't know if you can see that or not. It says... or maybe I got to turn that around. Yep. Yeah. It says, this is not a toy. I beg to differ. Oh, I definitely beg to differ. Oh, look, I can already see the battery. Yeah, this is going to be easy to tear apart. I might not be able to save it. I'll have to... I don't know. We'll see. What I would kind of like to do is make some kind of sign for my little 3D... my little arcade machines. Maybe like a... I don't know. I'll 3D print something and get my little replicades and do, I don't know, like a no smoking sign or something. We'll cross that bridge when we burn it. But for right now, let's just see what we can see. Oh yeah, cheap plastic. Oh, look at that. I don't even get any piece of... I get a couple of batteries. I have to look those up. I can't really see them very well. Let's see if we can kind of get those up to the camera. And here. See if we can see what that is. It doesn't want to focus. Anyway, a couple little batteries. I'll find out how much juice those things got. See how long that battery can keep this LED lit. Oh, we have a piece of light guide. That's cool. Oh, that could be useful. I have to get some Goo Gone and get rid of that sticker. But I didn't even get a piece of polarized film. It's just a freaking sticker, man. Which I kind of expected it wasn't going to be anything cool, but can't hurt to check. What I can't understand is, are they really making enough money off of these bullshit contests? Because you know nobody ever actually wins anything from these. But are they actually drawing in enough customers to justify the cost of an annoying little gimmick like this? I mean, don't get me wrong, they want to send me free shit, I'll take it all day. Send me batteries and LEDs. I'll add them in my junk pile and do something cool with them. I mean, look at that. That right there. You buy a box of those, get 100 for like 10 bucks, so it's like dirt cheap. But the act of mailing it and designing this and, you know, really, is it worth that for them? I mean, I guess it must be because they're doing it, but yeah, so if you run one of these stupid contest scam things with your dealership or whatever, and you want to send me free batteries and light bulbs, you go right ahead. I'll take them and I'll do something cool with them. Anyway, that's all I've got here. Is we've seen what we've seen, and yeah, not really terribly impressed, but hey, you know, it's free.